You want how many ounces?
4.
Total?
Yeah, no, just that part. As exact as possible. That's thinner, it'll pour faster.
Okay. Snippets.
Okay.
Just one of each?
Yeah. Clear on that.
So I just put it around?
Like, no, put it in front of it.
In front of it? Is that enough or does it need more?
I'd put a little more toward the blue, another, start at the end and come across. Yeah.
We got the tools. Cut it off here?
Yeah. Go on off the board with it. Yeah.